Tired of seeing M13 and M33? Today we're looking at something different. M23 has arrived. Note this design detail. To protect the vehicle's paintwork, a full protective film is applied at the factory. However, as the bumper is a separate removable module, the film is trapped beneath it. Therefore, we must remove the bumper before proceeding with the film removal process. Simply unscrew the bolts and remove the internal components. The light assembly need not be dismantled. Then simply reinstall the bumper guard and secure it as per the previous steps. The heart of the M23, a true performance beast, featuring a 3670 brushless motor with a 2850 kV rating, meticulously tuned to perfection. Unlike ultra-low kV motors that excel solely at climbing, nor like ultra-high kV motors that sacrifice durability for speed, this is an all-round warrior. The defining factor in whether a remote-controlled vehicle is classified as a toy or professional equipment lies here. The M23 inherits the core architecture of the flagship M33, a dedicated receiver paired with an independent 1000 water-cooled ESC. Within its class, this represents an absolute dimension-lowering strike. If you're seeking a graduation battery for a performance vehicle like the M23, this 5000 mAh 3s 30C unit is the definitive choice. This is a well-rounded combination with no weak points. Particularly for a large-sized motor like the 3670, the substantial capacity perfectly satisfies its appetite, a truly ideal match. The M23 employs a combination of a central differential coupled with helical front and rear differentials. The center differential enables dynamic torque management between the front and rear axles, granting the M23 near intelligent traction on complex terrain, the very foundation of true high-performance off-road capability. There are two types of suspension. One is called springs, the other hydraulic suspension. Springs merely provide support, whereas hydraulic suspension actively manages vibrations. This is the foundation of handling, determining how much power is converted into speed rather than squandered on body roll. Finally, take a look at these shoes. The M23 tires are engineered to deliver on every performance promise. Premium rubber compound ensures exceptional grip, clinging tenaciously to the road surface whether accelerating from a standstill on tarmac or tackling sandy corners. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like, a comment, and a share. See you next time!